Amazon has rolled out a new Manage All Inventory dashboard designed to streamline your selling experience like never before. Hi, I'm Bhumika, an account manager at Your Seller. Today I'll walk you through 3 important features that we as Your Seller use in our daily operations and that can help you manage your daily task more effectively. So let's get started. To begin with, just log into your Amazon Seller Central account, navigate to Menu tab, select Manage All Inventory under Inventory tab. Then you'll find this notification of new Manage All Inventory dashboard in beta version. You just need to click on Explore New Experience to access this dashboard. This is how it looks. First off, sales performance. This new dashboard consolidates all your product listing data in one place. But most importantly, your product's sales performance for last 30 days. So you don't need to go to the business reports and check your sales metrics of each ASINs. You'll have easy access to page views, your product sales ranks, number of units sold, and revenue of each ASINs. Simply, it gives you a summary of ASIN-level sales analysis. Next is Go to Variation family. You can explore detailed insights of all your child listings by just clicking on Go to Variation family, which redirect you to a separate dashboard where you can easily track all your parent family data in one place. Last but not least, all marketplace data. Having all marketplace product details centralized makes it simpler to manage and ensure your all product details is up to date across all marketplaces. Here you'll have easy access to all your marketplace product details right on your dashboard. So this new interface makes you feel like having your own personal sales analyst right on your dashboard. I hope this information was helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for our Amazon sellers. Until next time, happy selling.